Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to study Math Class 10, Updated. Begin by mapping your syllabus and prioritizing week chapters with weekly goals and focused practice. Break topics into small problem sets and proof steps to master fundamentals by repetition. Simulate exam conditions using past papers and time yourself to build speed and accuracy. Keep an error log to review mistakes and adapt your plan each week for steady improvement. Start each session with a clear goal and do a 10-minute warm-up on previous problems. Use active recall by writing solutions from memory before checking notes. Teach a concept aloud to solidify understanding and reveal gaps. Create one-page summaries for each chapter with key formulas and methods. Practice mixed problem sets every third day to build flexibility and confidence. Track progress and adjust weekly targets based on improvements. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like as it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh during study commutes. On another note, a pleasant car can make study runs more enjoyable and less distracting. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus each session on solving full problems with clear steps and labeled diagrams when needed. Start with guided examples, then increase difficulty and mix topics to mimic exams. Time some problems to build speed while maintaining accuracy. Use an error log to note conceptual mistakes and recurring arithmetic slips and revisit them weekly. Solve at least one past paper under timed conditions each week, and review every error carefully to refine technique and boost confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.